Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office, and in this video I'm going to be covering widget configuration for administrators, specifically focusing on the list widget. So if I drill into any entity in PPO, it'll take me through to a list page. Same with some of the administration functions. If I were to drill through to business rules, it'll take me through to a business rules list page. I'm quickly going to drill into projects. That takes me to the project list page. And if I were to hover over projects and click risks, that takes me to a risk list page. I'm just going to focus on projects. A user in the front end has the ability to apply their own preferences, decide which columns they want to see. They can build their own charts on the right-hand side. But you as a PPO administrator has access to setting defaults for these. A user can click the settings icon, get rid of fields that they don't want to see as columns, potentially add new fields. They can change the sort order of columns that they see on the list. They can remove a group by, apply a new group by, change the page size, even get rid of some of the metrics and add their own charts to their list pages. I'm going to save this as a user in the front end. My group by has now disappeared. I've introduced the active flag. I've gotten rid of my key metrics on the side. They can, however, restore to defaults, which is what the PPO administrators set up under the administration menu. So if I just click on my settings icon and I say restore to defaults, you'll see my key metrics pop up again, my last update, and my sort order has changed back. I also have my group by. As a PPO administrator, you have the ability to set defaults for all of the various list pages. So where we do that is under administration and widget configuration. On the widget configuration page, it's the list widget that we're looking at now. And here you'll see the list of entities. I'm going to focus on projects. So if I were to make changes over here and I leave my user group selection at all, everybody that hasn't changed their own preferences will inherit the changes that I've made. Else you can also just select a specific user group to make the changes for. So in this example, I'm just going to drop the last update date. I'm going to change the sort order of governance and data quality. I'm going to remove my group by field, and under charts, I'm just going to add an additional chart for data quality and project manager. So I'm just going to copy this one and change my parameters to data quality by project manager. All the settings I'm going to keep as is. I'm going to click on add and I'm going to submit. If I then go back to my project list and I refresh, I was already restored to defaults. You'll see my last updated date has disappeared and I've inherited a new bar chart here at the bottom that's looking at data quality and project manager. Again, as a user, I can override these settings and change all of my own settings on my list pages, but as an administrator, you can make all of these changes under widget configuration and the list widget. I hope you found this valuable. Thanks for watching.